Hi everybody, how are you all doing? It's been a hot minute since I've done a video. I have been so busy with redecorating the house. I haven't personally been painting, but we've had painters in and just like doing bits with RJ, and obviously motherhood just takes over my life. He's currently sleeping, so I've jumped on here today to do another review video. I was kindly sent some Sand and Sky skincare products, and they have a brand new launch, which is their oil control face cream, which looks like this. So I already have their face mask and the oil control clearing cleanser. So today I thought I would do a whole routine of just them all together and just show you how great they are, because I have been loving these products. I have combination skin and I've used Sand and Sky for so many years now, but to be honest, I haven't quite found a skincare range that are quite like this that actually focuses on oil control, which is fabulous. So if you have oily skin or combination skin like me, this is definitely one for you. If you've got dry skin, then maybe not so much, but Sand and Sky do have a variety of amazing products that would be fantastic for your skin, so 100% check them out. Everything will be in the description below for you if you want to go and have a look at their website if you've never tried their products before. I'm not a skin expert, I just like to test out skincare products and all of that good stuff. So if you haven't followed me before, if you've never heard of me before, if you've ever come across my channel before, I'm Roxanne. I am really into kind of skincare, beauty products, doing lots of reviews. I do vlog now and I do a lot of travel vlogs, so they will be coming as the year progresses. I have a lot of different things planned in the year, so be sure to subscribe and let's get into the video. Right, so a different way to obviously do this. On the back of the face mask it does say to apply to cleanse face first, so I'm going to cleanse my skin and then do the face mask, which I think it's not normally the way that I would do it. I always feel like you do a face mask and cleanse your skin, then moisturise. But you know, Sand and Sky know what they're doing, so we're gonna do what they've told me to do. So here we go. So let's cleanse my face. So the first thing I need to do is squeeze a small amount of gel into the palm of my hand, lather it with water and massage into my skin. So I've taken maybe like a large pea-size amount. Now we're going to go in with the oil control clay mask. Like so, and now I'm going to just leave this on for 10 minutes, let it dry down, and then wipe it all away. Right, so our 10 minutes is done, so you can see it's all dried down so lovely. If I smile, it cracks, which I love because it makes your skin feel really tight and it just really seeps into your pores. You can really feel it. It's lovely. So I'm super excited to take this off and see what my skin looks like underneath. Because we all need a glow in this heat wave, or just in general, forever. But let's just get my flannel and I'll wipe it all away. I don't know why the lighting's just gone terrible over there, so I just thought I would show you what my skin looks like. So this is after the face mask. Hopefully I can lighten the other clips of the video so you can see, but this is the results after using the face mask. My skin feels so soft and smooth. I do currently have a few like skin issues here and here. I really don't know why. They've just been flaring up since having little man, and I think it's like maybe like dermatitis or that sort of form of skin issue, but it just goes down. It kind of flares up when I wash my face and then it will literally disappear in the day. So I don't know what it is. I don't know. Maybe I just don't know. Maybe I'm too rough on my skin when I use the flannel or something. But yeah, it's I did bring my ring light, by the way, because I know in my last video I stopped using it for a little while, and now I brought it back and it's still not done anything for the lighting. So annoying. There we are, we continue on. RJ's awake now as well, by the way. Hi, he's sitting over there in his little tub chair just while I film. So yes, let's now put on our moisturiser, because this is the final bit of this routine and I'm very excited to do it. So hopefully I can get the lighting back. So I don't know what's going on with the lighting, so I've had to kind of turn off the ring light and move over here. So last step of the routine is to apply my Sand and Sky Oil Control Clearing Cleanser, which looks like this. So I'm just going to try and prop you up to apply, and then there we go. So I just take literally 2 pumps and rub it into my fingers, rub it all into my skin. So this is it, you guys. This is the full skincare routine. This is what my skin looks like. My skin here is driving me crazy, but there we are. We all have blemishes, this is our skin. I absolutely love the Oil Control collection. This range is perfect for my skin. It's light on, it doesn't make me feel greasy. Obviously Oil Control definitely works, especially in my T-zone areas, which is where I get the most havoc with oiliness. I really love the moisturiser. I like the fact that all of this is fragrance free, so it doesn't smell of anything quite like strong or anything like that. I feel like it's really nice, blends into the skin, the moisturiser just melts in and it makes my skin feel really smooth. I really love the 3-step process. I think it's just fab. I really enjoyed kind of cleansing, putting a face mask on to kind of relax and chill, although I scared the living crap out of my child. So maybe do it when he's asleep, or when your child's asleep or not in the room, and then just moisturising is just really nice. And now, you know, I'm not going to wear any foundation, I'm not going to wear any makeup today. I really tried to kind of stop wearing so much makeup or any makeup when I don't need to. So yeah, I'm going to go makeup free. I'm going to get ready for the day and just enjoy the sunshine. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. You probably can hear him whinging. He wants attention now. This is why I have to try and film when he's asleep. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.